8 things you should never do at the gym. If you're an avid gym goer, you have probably seen people who are not following proper etiquette and making the entire experience less pleasant for others. We all know them. Here's a list of situations that anyone who has been to the gym can relate to. 1. Leaving equipment sweaty. There's nothing wrong with sweating during exercise, but using a workout towel is an important part of proper gym etiquette. Also, don't forget to wipe your sweat off the equipment after you use it. Keep in mind that most of the machines are covered with leather and your sweat won't disappear unless you wipe it off. 2. Occupying equipment, unless you're using it. Some people in the gym just hang around on equipment and they don't even use it. They are texting on their phones, checking emails, taking selfies, or even napping while others wait to get on that particular machine. If you're at the gym, you're there to work out. Don't forget that. 3. Making calls and using loudspeakers. Some of the most annoying people at the gym are those who have very long and loud conversations on their phones. The other irritating types are those who like to play their music with the volume so high others can hear it even through their own headphones. Don't be that person. 4. Machines are for everyone. Do you remember how we were taught in kindergarten that toys were for everyone? That's how you should behave in the gym. Do not stick to one machine at a time. Don't spend 2 hours on the treadmill. If you see that there are people waiting to use it, show some respect. 5. Leaving weights everywhere. Another thing you should have learned in childhood is that you should not leave your toys around. The same rule applies at the gym. Always put the weights back where they belong. Leaving them on the floor can cause someone to fall over or get injured. Keep the gym tidy. 6. Pressuring others. Using a machine for 60 minutes is rude, but so is standing with your arms crossed in front of a person who is exercising. Don't give them a hurry up. Look, let them finish their workout. 7. Showing up late. No matter if it's a group class or a personal training session, never be late. This can be distracting for the instructor and other class. If you arrive late, at least make sure you interrupt the class as little as possible. 8. The locker room isn't a personal bathroom. There's always that one person who walks around naked, making others feel uncomfortable. And there are those who shave in the shower and leave everything covered in foam and hair. Even if you don't mind being seen naked, remember that others might feel uncomfortable being around you. Respect others, their time, and their privacy. Keep in mind that the locker room isn't your personal bathroom, and make sure you clean up after yourself. Have you been in any of these situations? Sure you have. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you're visiting our channel for the first time, click subscribe and stay on the deep side of life.